welcome. In this particular video, I'll be showing an NFT that I've just claimed in the Durov airdrop. A lot of people do not know that the Durov airdrop has continued. I tell you, if you do not know, that means you are currently living under the rock or you are not following my channel, because when it started, I uploaded it on my channel. And for you not to miss every latest, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload another new video. So if you see it now, you will see it that just 3 days ago there was a chance for us to claim a particular NFT, which was this particular one, and which we stake. So today, every day, each day, when you log in on your Durov airdrop, you'll be entitled to a particular claim. And in today, which make it around day 7, I was given this particular NFT. And this particular first NFT here, I stake it, which I also explained in one of my particular video. So if you want to stake yours, when you come to this particular place, this was where I clicked on. Let me quickly show you here. So when you tap on that particular place, so if you still have yours, and if you do not see this particular NFT here, this particular one that I'm showing currently, if you do not see it, that means you have missed it, you are missing something. So I staked it. So on staking it, and this was what it gave me after 7 days, because it has to be there for 7 days. You could see here the NFT staked 1. You could see it earn. Now I earn 48 and earn per hour, which was 2. So I have to claim. So let me just claim it, and you could see that my point here has actually increased. This is just how to position yourself for this particular draw. So if you are logging every day and you never miss a day, you will be given some rare NFT on each occasion. And this NFT, who knows, it might become a lot of something or money anytime we are there to claim. So this particular NFT now, this video, I'll be showing you how to stake this one. So I'll be staking this second one, which is this particular one. You say rarity to soon, so I can stake it. Let me step on it. You could see stake 1 NFT. It will be giving me points. Now you see currently now it is staked, which you can see here. So I have to claim it in the next 23 hours 59 minutes. So I'll let it work for me. So if you haven't started claiming your point in this particular Durov NFT point, I'll be dropping my link in the description of the particular video. So now let's come back to the home page. You see I have 2 NFT here, and if I could check my this, they are gifts and also they are NFTs. So if I check my statistic, you could see my statistics now. Yes, like what I was saying the other time, you could see in the day 6, that was when I claimed it. So I still have day 7, day 8, day 9. So each day that I log in, I'll be giving some particular gift. And you could see my staking. You see it's telling me that staking claimed here, daily reward 10. So this was the first gift that I collected. So you could just come here to check your statistics. So I have 2 now currently. So these are my tags. You could come over to this particular place also. Let me show you this particular place to enter this particular draw. So what you just need to do here is to tap on it. You will see they say congratulations, you are enter into a drawing. So I'm already on it already to claim 10 caps. So this particular, let me say, draw is ending February 23, just I think 4 days from now. So got it. If you haven't entered that particular draw, you just have to go into it. So you can tap here to see your friends. So I think that is all you just need to know. So for you not to miss out in this particular event on other airdrops, and most especially Durov airdrop, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime I upload other new video like this. Thank you. Bye bye.